Let's imagine we have an electric field and we have a particle, so let's say it's positively charged, and we let go of it here. The electric field is going to push it sideways, going faster and faster and faster, so it'll accelerate off at high speed, which means that it is gaining kinetic energy. How do you calculate the energy change? Well, one way to calculate the energy change would be to look at the force. So we know that the force is equal to the charge times the electric field. And we also know from Newton's laws that force equals mass times acceleration. So what we could do is use the electric field and multiply by the charge to work out the force on this particle, divide that by the mass to work out the acceleration, and then use an equation like distance travelled equals ut plus half at squared to work out where it's going, or we could use v squared equals u squared plus 2as to work out the speed at some later time and hence the kinetic energy. But if what you care about is the speed, the energy, there is an easier way. What you have to think about is, where is the energy coming from? It starts off at rest and acquires more and more kinetic energy. Where's that coming from? Well, it's coming from electric potential energy. And this potential energy is just equal to the charge times the voltage, the electric potential. So if, for example, you had an electric field here of 10 volts per meter, the potential difference, let's say we've got a distance here of, I don't know, 2 meters. So the change in voltage is just electric field times the distance, so E times D, which is 10 times 2 equals 20 volts. And if you release a charged particle over here, what energy will it come over there? The change in energy is just going to be equal to Q times delta V. So let's say there's a charge of 0.01 coulombs. That will be 0.01 times 20, which is 0.2 joules. And that must have turned into kinetic energy, so you could have half mv squared equals change in energy, and therefore work out the velocity. Easy. So the basic thing to remember, we've already talked about the voltage is electric field times distance, and the potential energy is just the charge times the voltage.